Introducing a powerful new feature in Kit Builder for BigCommerce, Interactive Kits, one of our most requested enhancements. It is now possible to use products with variants as kit components. This gives your customer the flexibility to choose different product options within the kits, all while maintaining proper SKU structure and inventory tracking. Let's take a look how it works. We are creating a kit called Ultimate Valentine, which contains 4 components. Roses with color options red, white, and pink. Teddy bear available in sizes small, medium, large, and color options brown, pink, and white. A Valentine themed balloon, a simple BigCommerce product. A Valentine card, also a simple product. Let's add these components one by one. The roses and the teddy bear products are set up in BigCommerce with variant options. As you can see, the roses product uses color options configured as swatches. And the teddy bear product uses size options configured as drop-down. Now let's add them in the Kit Builder Interactive. As you can see, after adding the roses product, the variant shows up in the kit page. Let's add the teddy bear. When a product has variants, you can select the parent product instead of selecting each variant individually. As soon as the components are saved, Kit Builder automatically creates variants for every possible combination. Each variant has a unique SKU generated by combining the kit's base SKU with the SKUs of the selected component variants. You can assign default or custom pricing for each variant depending on your needs. You can choose which specific options of a product to include in a kit. For example, only the pink teddy bear small size. As you can see, both products with variants are now showing up in the kit product page. Now let's quickly add component without variants. They are showing up without options as expected. As customers select their options and place an order, Kit Builder ensures that inventory is deducted only from the specific component variant they selected. For example, just from the red roses and large teddy bear SKUs. You still have the same 3 options for how kit components appear on the order in the BigCommerce backend. Not shown at all, shown as separate items with 0 price, or broken out with weighted pricing based on the component configuration. We hope this gives you more flexibility and power when creating complex product bundles, and we can't wait to see what you build with it. Thanks for watching.